Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a healthy, nutrient-dense, high-protein, fiber-rich, super soft, gluten-free weight loss roti recipe. Perfect to include in your weight loss meals, especially if you have health issues like PCOS, diabetes, or if you simply want to have a nutrient-dense, healthy gluten-free roti in your meals. This super soft, protein rich, gluten free roti is high in fiber and hence will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. This roti is ideal to carry to work as a lunchbox meal and perfect to include in your gluten free meals. So let's get started with the recipe. I have measured 1 cup of Bajra flour, also known as pearl millet, and transfer it to a plate. In the same cup, measure 1 cup of water. Pour the water into a saucepan, add in pink Himalayan salt as needed and turn on the heat. Allow the water to come to a boil, and once the water starts to boil, reduce the flame to the lowest, add in the bajra flour. Let it stay like this for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes, turn off the flame and with the back of a wooden spoon, mix this really well. Once mixed, allow it to cool down. It should take about 10 minutes. Bajra, also known as pearl millet, is completely gluten-free. Do check my Bajra dosha recipe to know more about its health benefits if you're new to Bajra. Now transfer it to a plate and knead it to a soft dough. Knead it really well, just the way I'm showing in the video. Once the dough is soft, divide the dough into equal sized balls and keep it aside. Remember that bajra flour does not have any gluten. So please watch my video carefully to understand the small tips I'm sharing so that you can make super soft bajra rotis. So let me just show you an example. So after dusting with bajra flour, I'm rolling it out and you can see the sides are uneven when rolled out. Since bajra does not have gluten, when you roll out it becomes like this. But if you knead each small dough before rolling out, and then coat it with the bajra flour and lightly flatten with your fingers, and then when you roll it out you can see it rolls out perfectly just like whole wheat roti. And see how thin the roti is. Place the rolled out roti onto the hot cast iron tawa and reduce the flame to the lowest. While the bajra roti is getting cooked, roll out the next roti in the same way. Meanwhile, once small bubbles starts to form on top of the roti, flip it over and almost immediately the bajra roti will puff up. This roti will be super soft and will taste amazing with a teaspoon of desi ghee. Repeat the same with the rest of the rolled out roti, and you can flip it over to cook even further and then remove it from the tawa. It's important to wait for the bubbles to come up before turning the roti over. You can see how soft these rotis are, and the best part is these gluten-free bajra roti will help to keep you feel satiated for a longer time because of its high fiber. For better nutrient absorption, have it with some desi ghee. I prefer to keep the rotis wrapped in cotton napkin and it will stay soft for a longer time, hence ideal to carry to work. So guys, do try this super healthy and nutrient dense gluten free bajra roti and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.